This is the Zibra paintbrush furniture refinishing kit. It comes with 4 brushes and it's everything you need to get started on refinishing furniture. Refinishing furniture is my full-time job and I have a ton of these paintbrushes. I'm glad for Zibra because they make paintbrushes that really work for what I need to get done. So when you get this kit, it looks like this, which is perfect. There's instructions along the top for what each brush is used for. This one is the top coat brush. It is huge, massive with filaments. Let me see if I can get it out. Very thick brush. It's gonna hold a lot of paint, a lot of pickup. So when you're putting on a top coat, it's perfect. You can also use this for just painting in general, and you can see how this is gonna hold a ton of paint so that you don't have to go back and forth to the can all the time. My second favorite in this kit is most definitely this 2-inch little angled shorty. This gets into all the tight spaces that you need to paint in, and it's very sturdy. Like when you hold it just like this, you can get into all the curved edges. I do a lot of cane and rattan painting with this short guy right here, and also inside the drawers. This is a really great bundle. It's great for somebody who's getting into furniture refinishing for Christmas. It's gonna have everything that they need. This one is the angled brush, another one that's really, you can see how packed full this is, full of filaments to hold a lot of paint, lots of paint pickup for easy strokes that won't leave a lot of brush marks as well. And then the last one in the set is the round brush. The round brush is great for detailed work, getting on spindles of stairs or chairs. Really cute little guy, and it's versatile for a lot of places and tight corners. This is a must for furniture refinishers. Again, anybody that's got this in their stocking is absolutely gonna love it.